DDPAI Mini Pro Dashcam unboxing and first impressions. Is it worth it? If you drive, you know how important it is to have a reliable dashcam. Whether it's for safety, insurance, or just capturing unexpected moments on the road, you need a good one. Today, we're unboxing the DDPAI Mini Pro Dashcam, a compact, feature-packed camera that promises crystal clear footage, built-in Wi-Fi, and a Sony sensor for night vision. But is it actually worth it? Let's find out. What's inside? All right, let's take a look inside. First up, the star of the show, the DDPAI Mini Pro Dashcam. It's sleek, lightweight, and super compact, perfect for a clean, no distraction setup on your windshield. Next, we have the accessories: power cable and car charger, adhesive mount, user manual, pry tool for cable management. Nothing too complicated, just what you need to get started. Let's talk about what makes this dashcam stand out. 1. 2K UHD recording, 1440p. This little guy records in super clear 1440p resolution, so you'll capture every detail, even license plates from a distance. 2. Sony Starvis Night Vision. Night driving? No problem. The Sony Starvis sensor enhances low-light performance, so you still get crisp footage even in dark conditions. 3. Built-in Wi-Fi and DDPAI app. No need to remove the memory card. With built-in Wi-Fi, you can view, download, and share videos directly from your phone using the DDPAI app. Super convenient. 4. Loop recording and G-sensor. The dashcam automatically overwrites old footage to save space, and a G-sensor locks footage in case of an accident. Basically, it's like having a silent witness on the road. 5. Super capacitor. No overheating. Unlike battery-powered dashcams, this one uses a supercapacitor, meaning better heat resistance and longer lifespan. Perfect for hot climates. Setting it up is a breeze. Just stick it on your windshield, connect the power cable, and you're good to go. If you want a cleaner look, you can tuck the wires along the edges with the included pry tool. And that's it. Let's check out some actual footage next. Check this out. Daytime footage is crisp and detailed. And at night, the Sony Starvis sensor really kicks in. You can see street signs, license plates, and everything stays clear even in low light. So, is the DDPAI Mini Pro Dashcam worth it? Let's break it down. What I like: sharp 2K resolution for clear footage, Sony Starvis Night Vision for great low-light performance, Wi-Fi and app support for easy video access, compact and discreet design, super capacitor instead of battery, better for heat resistance. What could be better? No built-in screen, requires phone app for playback. No GPS, would be nice for location tracking. Overall, if you're looking for a reliable, high-quality and compact dashcam, the DDPAI Mini Pro is a solid choice. It has all the essential features you need without breaking the bank. So, what do you think of the DDPAI Mini Pro? Would you get one for your car? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this unboxing helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.